Okay, question 9. So we're going to buy a dining table and it was purchase price, its price was $900. You paid a deposit of $250. So that was the price that it was in the shop. We had to pay that much deposit. So this gives me how much I owe. The price less the deposit gives me how much I owe, and that is $650. That's how much money I owe. How much have I paid? Okay, so what do I have to pay? What do I have to pay each month? I pay $60 and I pay this for 12 months. So $60 per month for 12 months gives me how much money I have to pay altogether. $60 times 12 gives me $720. So every month I had to pay $60. 60 times 12 altogether I have to pay $720. Now I only actually owed $650. The difference between the amount I owed and the amount I paid is my interest. And this difference here. So the interest, I paid $720 in those $60 repayments for 12 months, but I only owed $650, so my interest is $70. That's my interest. I want to work out the rate. And for flat rate, I'm looking at my formula. Do I need to move my paper? I equals P times R times T. I will move that up. It's the simple interest formula again. So here we've got the interest is $70. The principal, the amount I owed, the principal, the amount that the calculations are on are $650 because that's how much money I'd owed. Because I'd paid off $250. I didn't owe them on this, I owed them on that. That's what I owed, that's my principal here. So it's $650. I'm looking for the rate. I don't know that, that's what I'm looking for. And the time, 12 monthly repayments of $60, so the time is 1 year. So I'm going to put that into the CAS, solve 70 equals 650 times R times 1, comma R, and it will give me the number, and it won't give it to me as a percent, I don't think. Let me have a look back up here. Solve SOLVE bracket 70 equals 650 times R times 1, comma R, enter. That gives me R equals 0.10769. That's giving it to me as a decimal. I need it as a percent. So to get it to be a percent, I need to multiply by 100. So R equals times by 100. 10.77%. Now, looking here, this is where some of you are going to trip up, and I want you to be really, really careful. Okay, some of you would go, right, that's 10. I'm going to circle 10. Is that closest to 10 or 11? 10.77 is actually rounds to. So when rounding, we're going to want it to round to whole numbers. See, they're whole numbers here, integers here. I'm going to round. So I need to finish the number here. I look to the next number. That's 7. Do I round up or round off? I round up. So I add 1 to this number here. The rate is closest to 11%, not 10%. So the answer is going to 9 is going to be D.